I'm Jack Harper, a documentarian from Manchester. I've spent the last year piecing together what really happened during the invasion. It's a story that needs to be told for those who survived and those who didn't. It all started with strange lights in the sky. At first, most people thought naught of it. But then, reports started coming in from all over. The Yanks were seeing them too. The internet went wild with speculation and conspiracy theories. The governments tried to keep a lid on it, but you know how it is with social media these days. Scientists were baffled. Some said it was just atmospheric phenomena, others insisted it was extraterrestrial. The military started mobilizing quietly at first, but people noticed. Tension was building. Little did we know this was just the beginning of a war that would change everything. And then it happened, the moment that changed everything. A massive ship, clear as day, hovering over New York City. No denying it now, all hell broke loose after that. Panic in the streets, the military scrambling to respond. The Brits weren't far behind. RAF jets were in the air within the hour. But our weapons? Useless against their shields, like throwing rocks at a tank. The aliens, they didn't come to make friends. They came to take over. Their technology was like something out of a sci-fi film. Lasers, force fields, you name it. Cities fell. London, Washington, Beijing, one after another. Governments collapsed. The UN was in shambles. It was every country for itself. But humans were a stubborn lot. We started fighting back, learning their weaknesses. Underground resistance movements formed. Scientists worked round the clock to understand alien tech. Slowly, we started to make progress. Found ways to disrupt their communications, even bring down a few ships. It's been a year now. We're still here, still fighting. But the world, it'll never be the same. Major cities are in ruins. Millions have died. But we're adapting, surviving. Some say we should try to communicate with them, find a peaceful solution. Others say it's too late for that. And the next year, it'll determine the fate of humanity. This is the story of how we survived the first year of the alien invasion and how we're preparing for what comes next.